Hello. Astronomy Picture of the Day, April 8, 2021. Today's video is about 3D Ingenuity. The multicolor, stereo imaging Mastcam-Z on the Perseverance rover zoomed in to capture this 3D close-up, get out your red/blue glasses, of the Mars Ingenuity helicopter on mission Sol 45, April 5. That's only a few sols before the technology demonstrating Ingenuity will attempt to fly in the thin Martian atmosphere, making the first powered flight on another planet. The historic test flight is planned for no earlier than Sunday, April 11. Casting its shadow on the Martian surface, Ingenuity is standing alone on 4 landing legs next to the rover's wheel tracks. The experimental helicopter's solar panel, charging batteries that keep it warm through the cold Martian nights and power its flight, sits above its two 1.2-meter, 4-foot, long counter-rotating blades. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.